Hey, what's up, everybody? This is your buddy, your pal, London Hawthorne, and I am here with yet another unboxing. Today, I opened up this box. Unfortunately, I didn't do the video. I don't know what I was thinking of, but this literally, it's one of those items. It's kind of sketchy where they tell you what it is on the outside box, like it was shipped like this. But this is an OlarHike cooler bag. It's shipped from Lexington, Kentucky, all the way to South Bend, Indiana. So it came in this really cool bag. That seal, it's like a plastic seal right there. Kind of like a huge Ziploc bag. But I needed a new lunch bag. I know what you're saying. You eat that much food? Yeah, what have you? No, I'm just kidding. But so I ordered this bag. It's a 40 can cooler. So you could actually have 40 cans in here and it would be fine. Basically, sometimes you're out and about, you need to keep stuff cool. I figured this would be multi-use. So this is a big one. It's got a giant pocket right here. Right here. It's obviously got this huge thing there, she said. It's got handles on each side. It's got a little thingamabob here. I'm assuming this will go somewhere. I don't know. But, oh yeah, so here's a handle here, a handle here. Probably how I'm going to do that every day. I'm not really sure. Maybe this, I don't know. I haven't really messed with it yet. But, I've needed a new lunch bag for a while, and that way, if okay. That way, if I'm like traveling or something and I need to get some iced beverages in here, I guess for a shoulder strap maybe. But yeah, so this is gonna be my new lunch bag. It's gonna be epic. As always, I want to say thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, please share, and check out some of my other thousands and thousands of videos. If you want to help support my channel, help me pay off this lunch bag that I just bought. You can cash at me at London Hawthorne if you like cool t-shirts. You can go to sites like riptapparel.com or onceuponat.net. Find your shirt or shirts of choice. You'll save a few bucks off each and every shirt if you use my username London Hawthorne as your coupon code. Thanks so much for watching my videos. If you don't want to spend any money, that's fine. But you can also just hit the thumbs up button, the notification bell to find out when I'm going to upload my next video. Share my videos. Just let my videos play as white noise falling asleep. I don't care. Just let them autoplay. Really adds up, and I definitely appreciate it. I wish you the best, and have a great day.